Number 14. Which expression is equivalent to negative 3/4 times 8x plus 12 plus 2/3 times 6x plus 12? A. Negative 2x minus 1. B. Negative 2x plus 17. C. Negative 10x minus 1. D. Negative 10x plus 17. Number 15. Maury bought tiles for his 160 square foot kitchen floor. The tiles cost $2.35 per square foot, including tax. He bought an extra 5% of tiles in case of broken tiles. What is the total cost of the tiles? A. $357.20. B. $376. C. $387.75. D. $394.80. 16. Meredith earns $17 per hour at her job. She works 40 hours per week and gets paid every 2 weeks. Meredith pays 1/4 of each paycheck in taxes. If Meredith earns a 10% raise in her hourly pay, how much more will she pay in taxes? A. 17. B. 34. C. 102. D. 136. Number 17. Which expression is equivalent to negative 6x minus 10 times x minus 4? A. Negative 16x plus 40. B. Negative 4x plus 40. C. Negative 16x minus 4. D. Negative 4x minus 4. Number 18. A horse trots 3.5 kilometers in 1/4 of an hour. At this rate, how far will the horse travel in 1 hour? A. 7/8 kilometers. B. 3 3/4 kilometers. C. 7 kilometers. D. 14 kilometers. Number 19. In the figure below, line AD and line CF are perpendicular. What is the measure of angle CGE? A. 55. B. 90. C. 125. D. 145. Number 20. Chris wants to buy a drum set that cost P dollars. The drum set is on sale for 15% off the regular price. After the discount, a 6.5% sales tax is applied. Which expression represents how much Chris will pay for the drum set? A. 0.065 times P minus 0.85. B. 0.065 times P minus 0.15. C. 1.065 times 0.85p. D. 1.065 times 0.15p. Number 21. Which set of measurements could not be used to draw a triangle? A. 3 inches, 3 inches, and 7 inches. B. 6 inches, 6 inches, and 8 inches. C. 7.2 inches, 9.1 inches, and 14.8 inches. D. 11.7 inches, 13.2 inches, and 22.4 inches. Number 22. At a restaurant, Jana earns $8.50 per hour plus tips. She saves 20% of her tips, T, in a savings account. Which expression represents the amount of money Janet has to spend after working 5 hours? A. 0.2 times $42.50 plus T. B. $42.50 plus 0.2 T. C. 0.8 times $42.50 plus T. D. $42.50 plus 0.8 T. Number 23. Angle GHI and angle JHI are supplementary. Angle GHI measures 28x plus 40, and angle JHI measures 7x. What is the measure of angle JHI? A is 4 degrees, B is 28 degrees, C is 35 degrees, D is 152 degrees. Number 24. At a store, boots are on sale for 30% off the original price. Which expression could Jill use to calculate how much she will save if she buys the boots on sale? A, 0.30x, B, 0.70x, C, x minus 0.30, D, x minus 0.70. Number 25. A plane intersects a regular pyramid. The plane slices through the pyramid parallel to the base to form a cross-section. What is the shape of the cross-section? A parallelogram that is not a rectangle. A triangle that is not equilateral. C, a rectangle. D, a trapezoid. Number 26. Isaiah can read 1/16 of a book in half an hour. At this rate, how long would it take him to finish half of the book? 2 hours. B is 4 hours. C is 8 hours. D is 16 hours. 27. An office building has 6 rectangular offices. 2 of the offices measure 15 by 20 feet. The other 4 offices each measure 22 by 26 feet. What is the total area of the 6 offices? A, 1,800, B, 2,888, C, 3,432, D, 5,232.